Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Lupe Pure Cordless is a vacuum designed by two Ex-Dyson engineers built on ideas of sustainability, usability, and excellent performance. Does it live up to the hype train? Let's go ahead and find out now. We're going to start by looking at the cleaning test scores for the Lupe Pure Cordless. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum on 3 different floor types and 4 different debris types. Overall, Lupe's cleaning performance was excellent. It removed 97.3% of all debris we tested against. It had good suction power on all floor types, and it was able to handle large debris with relative ease, which is a common issue for many vacuums. On hardwood floors, the Lupe's cleaning performance was nearly flawless. It removed 99% of all debris. It only missed some pieces that dropped out when the power was switched off. For low-pile carpet, Lupe removed 96.5% of all debris. It left behind a small amount of sugar that was buried in the carpet fibers. High-pile carpet was a similar result to low-pile carpet. Lupe cleaned 96.5% of the debris, leaving behind only a small amount of sugar. It was able to handle rice, kitty litter, and cereal on carpets without any issues. In our hair removal test, the Lupe was able to easily remove all of the hair from the carpet. However, the long strands did have a tendency to tangle around the brush roll. The Lupe Pure Cordless has a different and unique design compared to most cordless vacuums. The most notable feature of the Lupe is the modular design. The main body can separate from the cleaner head, and the handle can be used as an extension wand. This allows the Lupe to be used in multiple modes, as a cordless upright vacuum and as a lightweight canister, using the hose with or without the extension wand. The vacuum's individual parts can be replaced if and when they break, or can simply be replaced if a new upgrade or improved part becomes available. This design philosophy should dramatically extend the life of the vacuum. It seems to be Lupe's intent to improve the Lupe vacuum framework over time, as opposed to simply releasing new models each year. Instead, they may release a new or upgraded part set that consumers could install themselves. The simple controls are power on-off, increase suction, decrease suction, and brush roll on-off. The main body also includes the expanding hose, detachable battery on the front, and dustbin on the back. The dustbin capacity is up to 1 liter, which is considerably larger than many cordless vacuums. The cleaning head on the Lupe uses a dual brush roll system. The front roller is a soft roller that helps flatten debris and provide a seal between the agitator and the floor. The second brush roll is a spiral bristle roller that agitates carpet fibers and rotates in the opposite direction of the soft roller. These 2 rollers work in tandem to increase suction and improve performance. As for the size, the Lupe is fairly typical among cordless stick vacuums. In addition, much of the weight is positioned close to the floor rather than within the handle. In upright mode, the Lupe Pure Cordless is 45 inches tall and 10.2 inches wide. It weighs 10.2 pounds. As a handheld canister, it weighs 6.4 pounds. Right out of the box, the Lupe just feels different. It has an elegant design, and the parts are separated for easy install and compact shipment. In addition to the main body, cleaning head, and handle extension wand, the Lupe includes a rechargeable battery and power adapter. It also comes with a tool clip so the attachment tools can be stored on the wand. The tools include an upholstery tool and a crevice tool, both of which double as dusting brushes. The tools can be connected to the flexible hose or the extension wand. Check the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing the Lupe. One of the most notable differences with the Lupe is operating in handheld mode. The main body of the Lupe can be lifted off of the cleaning head and uses a canister. The canister has small feet, so it can stand on the floor or on a table. Alternatively, it can be carried easily with the handle. While many upright vacuums include a lift-out canister, having a cordless design with a lift-out canister is a big difference maker. Taking that level of power on the go is a convenience feature that cannot be understated. The extension wand can be connected to the flexible hose to transform the Lupe into a lightweight, portable vacuum. Each part clicks together and connects easily. Maneuverability on the Lupe is fairly typical for a cordless vacuum. In upright mode, it can pivot and lean back to reach most areas of the room. In addition, it offers extreme portability as a canister thanks to the reach of the flexible hose and extension wand. As for maintenance, the Lupe has a fairly unique approach. Instead of being designed to be replaced by new models, the Lupe vacuum has parts that can be removed and maintained individually. For regular upkeep, users will need to empty the dustbin, wash the filters, and recharge the battery. The dustbin can be easily removed and emptied into the trash. The filters can both be removed and washed with cold water. The battery can be charged in the vacuum, or it can be removed and charged separately. It will take about 3.5 hours to fully charge the battery. We've seen a lot of comments. A lot of you think I look like General Hux from Star Wars. Some of you think I look like Steve Buscemi. What do you think? Comment Hux or Buscemi in the comments and let us know. So, should you buy the Lupe Pure Cordless? Many consumers are looking for a vacuum that's powerful, easy to use, and simple to maintain in the long run. The Lupe checks the boxes on all of these attributes. I recommend the Lupe Pure Cordless if you're looking for excellent cleaning performance. On our test, the Lupe removed 97.3% of all debris we tested against. It was virtually flawless on hardwoods and only left behind a small amount of sugar on low and high pile carpet. I also recommend the Lupe Pure Cordless if you're looking for a versatile, multi-use vacuum. Users can choose to clean with the Lupe as an upright or use the flexible hose and attachment tools. The lightweight body can be used as a canister with an extension wand that can reach nearly anywhere in your home, car, or office. And finally, I recommend the Lupe Pure Cordless if you want a long-lasting vacuum. With quality parts and a design that allows parts to be replaced individually, the Lupe is a great choice if you want your vacuum to last many years. It's a good choice for both sustainability and your wallet. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. Are you thinking about buying the Lupe? Let us know in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Lupe vacuum. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Next up, we're going to test hair removal. Next up, we're going to test hair removal. Next up, we're going to test hair removal.